roasted red bell pepper pasta. This pasta is creamy and delicious, and of course you guys know it could not be easier. So for the base, I'm going to start off with one medium cooked potato. I'm going to get that into my blender here, and then I like to use these roasted red peppers, and I'm going to put about 2.5 peppers into this sauce. It's of course customizable, do what tastes good. Then I like to add 2 tablespoons of the pepper juice, 2 sun-dried tomatoes that I have soaked for about 10 minutes, and about 3 tablespoons of cashews. I'm going to add the juice of half of a lemon into there as well, about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. You do this to taste, whatever tastes good to you. Then I'm going to add a cup of water, and then this is ready to blend up. It's going to blend into this thick, creamy, delicious sauce. So now that the water is boiling for my pasta, I'm going to use this gluten-free one today. I love this one. It is so pretty and fancy. Look how gorgeous those noodles are. I'm just going to get those in there and cook those up. I also cooked up some mushrooms on the side. So now that the pasta is done cooking, I'm just going to rinse and drain it and then add it back into the pot. And then I'm going to add this delicious sauce. Now you can turn the pot on and heat it up, but the pasta is still hot and so are the mushrooms. So I find that the sauce heats up by itself just fine, but you do whatever you need to do. And I always like to serve it on top of arugula because it's just so good, and it's another way to sneak in some greens. Then I'm going to chop up some fresh parsley and add that fresh flavor to the top, and then it is ready to enjoy. It is so full of flavor and so good, guys. I hope you give this a try. It is a major crowd pleaser in my house, and it really is so easy. If you don't want to use cashews, you can use white beans, you can use hemp heart seeds, or you can just leave them out. Whatever you want to do, it's so good.